You're going to open the Lego Mindstorm software and click the plus sign in the very top left-hand corner. It'll take a second to load, and then you'll have this one block with a play button, and then down on the bottom there's all these other color-coded blocks. You're going to go to that third block and drag it up. It should already know that it's plugged into B and C ports, but if it's not, you can click on them and change those. So if you hover over each of these different options, it'll tell you what it does. The arrow will tell you how to steer, which direction you want it to go. That's your speed. This one is how many rotations of the motor you want it to go, so that'll affect your distance. So if you want it to go straight a little bit and then you want it to turn, you can drag a second block up and tell it to turn. And it'll do these blocks in the order that you put them. So another block you might want to try is the fifth one there, display. You can set it to go to text and grid. You can display what's on the screen. Mine isn't showing up there, so I'm going to move these blocks down so that I can see a little better. So you can see it says Mindstorms up there, and see where it says Mindstorms here. I can click there and I can type something else like hi. Then I can change the X and the Y numbers, and that changes what the location of my statement on the screen. You can also get another play button to start you out if you go to the orange and then drag up a new start button, go back. And now to get your motor to spin, you're going to select the individual one and be sure to pick which port that spinning arm is plugged into. And just like the others, you can choose how many times you want it to spin and the speed. If you have two different play buttons, then it'll run both of those programs at the same time. You can also try the sound. Choose play tone or play note, and you can pick different notes and teach it how to play a song. You can explore the different options in the color codes. There's some looping ones and repeats, some sensors. Not all of them are going to work with our NXT robots because they're older, but you can see what you can get it to do. When you're ready to test your code, you're going to plug in your Mindstorm and turn it on. And then watch down here in the bottom right-hand corner. When it changes to NXT there, that means it sees your robot. So you're going to click the download arrow, that very top arrow. If you did download and run, it would just download it and also make it do the thing. So you want to do download. As soon as your Mindstorm beeps, then it's ready to unplug and run it.